Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fundrise to start investing and track returns, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start investing with Fundrise, first, visit the Fundrise website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. Fill in your email address and choose a secure password. Next, check your email for a verification message and click the link to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Fundrise account. Complete your profile by providing personal information, such as your name and address. After that, you will need to answer questions about your investing experience. Fundrise will use this information to tailor investment options to your needs. Proceed to the section where you can select your investment strategy. Choose between the options available, such as Starter, Core, or Advanced. Once you've selected your preferred strategy, review the details provided. Next, decide how much money you want to invest. Enter the investment amount and proceed to the next step. Now, you'll need to link a bank account for funding your investment. Enter your bank account details for verification. After your bank account is linked, review your investment selections one last time. Confirm the investment and authorize the transaction. Fundrise will begin to allocate your funds into real estate projects based on your chosen strategy. To track your returns, log into your account regularly. Navigate to the Portfolio section to view performance metrics. Here, you will find updates on your investments and returns over time. Familiarize yourself with the reporting tools available for deeper insights. Make use of the learning resources Fundrise provides to enhance your understanding. Set reminders to check back quarterly for updates on your returns. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on performance and your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.